Hey, good evening, Michael Map here. Doing a quick recap on today's trades and looking at the futures. Feeling a little bit under the weather. I think I'm getting a cold. Hopefully not, but I think I got it. So, for 10-year, 402, Dixie, we are at 102.28, down a little bit. Foreign currencies are up with the dollar being weaker. Bitcoin approval for 11 ETFs. I think we saw a high. Let me see here. We hit a high of almost 48K, and now we're at under 47,000 on the Bitcoin. Oil 71.28, S&P up 475. We have the CPI report tomorrow morning, which should make markets move. Ethereum up $117 to 2620. So the crypto market has gained getting close to $1 trillion market cap, because I think at the low global market cap was about $1 trillion. Now we're at 1.8. Right now the global market cap is up 4%. Ethereum is up 9%. Steth up 9%. ADA, I think that's Cardano, up 10. AVAX 11. DOT 11. So we're getting some bids here in the crypto space. And we'll see what's up with all the new ETFs that come out. I've just been playing with BIDO. I have some long-term upside on BIDO calls, which are doing okay. Small caps up 6 to 1990. The NASDAQ shy of 17K. Dow Jones shy of 38K. Natural gas over $3. Palladium and platinum about $1,000. Silver back over 23. VIX a little bit higher than 13 at 13 and a quarter almost. Grains haven't opened up yet, but they haven't been trading well as of late. And those are your futures. On the trade front today, I got long PagerDuty, 37 days out. A lot of call activity. Got into ANVS. That's a biopharma play. Went long CXW, ARHS as well, FTI. I covered an Intel short that I was put through option spreads, so I just closed it, and I took a loss on it, but I might as well just free up that capital. It was tying up some buying power, and I just closed it and took it for a loss. Can't win them all. Went long TGTX, another biopharma name. Sana, I did a call calendar spread. Did a put credit spread in Mobileye. Did a call credit spread in SATS, which was up big. XERS, I bought a call, another bio name. My biggest winner of the day was my short on Ryder. I closed out my put, which expired in 9 days, and I made a nice little chunk of change on that one. Bought a put in DCGO on bad news, and went long a couple calls in iHeartRadio or media. And those were my trades today out in the marketplace. My biggest winner today was Ryder, and I also did go with, which is the other one that I did go with? I can't remember. Let me see here. I was looking for some headlights for my daughter's truck that I got her. Let's take a look at the bar chart. Options. Let's take a look. Unusual option volume. So you had FTI with some unusual stuff. iHeartRadio. Those are the ones that I did. The ones that I just mentioned in the chat. I thought I bought some stuff in RDN. I guess maybe it didn't go through. I put an order in, didn't go through. But these options have high, unusual uh, volume. So that sometimes tells a story. Um, so I've been focusing on that. I have I have positions in some of the most actives. Why did it go to this? Most active options. Tesla was down. The big cap names did well today, and we'll see what happens with the market. In the market, we'll have some good moves tomorrow, supposedly on the CPI report. So we shall see. Hasn't really been options activity. Yeah, there's some volume here. See what the biggest winners and losers were. Sana up 39%, AMRN up 32, SATS, PagerDuty, Xeers, GoodRx, Smart Global, Intuitive Surgical, and iHeartMedia. Those were your biggest winners today. And I did options in a lot of them. And biggest losers, DCGO. I think iRobot's deal got canceled by the EU. I lost on here test systems. I'm gonna lose on that one. I just did a little small gamble. PCT and then Wolf all down more than 10%. Charge point, while charge points under $2. Fisker $1.11. Wow. I like Chewy long term. That was down 5%. And those were your biggest losers with options on the underlying. I mean, Jamie Dimon came out here. I saw an article here in, the Nikkei breaches 35K, which should be good for my, I have heavy exposure to international stocks. So that should be good for I don't know if it's going to pull up here. Oh, it does. I have a lot of funds in the Fidelity Diversified International K6 fund through my 401k, and I pretty much allocated about a couple months ago about $12. So I've had a nice increase here, and I think we're going to see some highs here as the dollar rolls over. I think we're going to make new highs. I think all-time high was over 15, and we're well and pretty much in that direction. So we'll see what happens there. That's good for the 401k. Precious metals are hanging in there. And the trading front, I mean, I haven't really done much. Just trying to pick some winners and just hang on to them long term. I see a lot of stuff in the bio space. That's what I've been seeing. When I look at the bar chart, I see a lot of bio space stuff. The better biotech ones that I've seen are Sage. Has been pretty good. Let me see if I have the stock. I did a short on it, a YouTube short stock chart. There's another one that I should do, maybe a YouTube short. I saw a lot of unusual activity, which was this one. The chart doesn't look great, but I mean, there's a lot of buying in here. We had a little bar here, but look at this. A lot of buying from like low 60s, below 60, almost doubled already. That's in the daily time frame. Gaps have been closed. It's back over moving averages. And there's a lot of talk about mergers and acquisitions in the bio space. And you can see here on this longer time frame chart, the MACD's crossed over, and we have a lot of buying, and they're well over both moving averages. So this thing can hypothetically maybe pull back a little bit or make a run back up to these old highs if it could break this little area here right there below the 130 mark. I mean, we were at 150, 160 on this one almost. So this one's an interesting one as well. They're called Sarepta Therapeutics. And I like Sage as well. Those are bigger ones. There's some cheaper ones out there that I've been buying calls on, and I kind of report them here on the daily videos. Anyways, check you out in the next video. Like, subscribe.